Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view the complete list of the reward in manager mode of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Let's get started by tapping the play and tap the manager mode. So you can see the rewards in here. Tap this information icon, tap, and this one. This is the manager mode reward that you can get. For example, this is for per season. You can get best player containing 67 until 76 OVR player, and so on. If you are going to a legendary, you can get more higher OVR best player for the rewards, and also get competitive point that can be used to get some star over. And also you can get this coin if you are get promote, and if you are stay in the league, for example stay in the amateur, not relegate, you can get this coin. And also per match you can get 4 competitive points, for example in the amateur division. And this is the tire, the layout or the diagram of the manager mode league. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.